Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find your total watch hours in YouTube Studio. So come with me and we'll explore that feature. Okay, so what you do is you go to your head over here and you go to YouTube Studios. And in there you will get your last video analytics, which is interesting in itself. But you come over here to analytics, and this will be your last video, or sorry, in the last 28 days. But where you get the total is right here where you can select lifetime. And when you get lifetime, it shows you right here total number of hours you have accumulated on your channel. So I hope you found this of interest, and if you do, please hit the like and subscribe button, and definitely leave a comment. Those help build better videos. You know, I'm just trying to do my best, folks. Anyways, thanks for coming out, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.